And we're back to learning Premiere Pro, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a glitch cut effect. It's easy to do. We'll start with this footage. So it's often used when the camera is rotating around a person or there's a flashback scene, something like this. And I've got an audio file, I'll position it right here. The simple swoosh effect. And now I'll use the cut tool, C, and I go forward 2 frames. You can see that right here. And I cut it again. Now I'll go forward a little bit more and I delete the middle part and reposition that. When you reposition the audio file, so let me just put it right here, and now you do it again, you can also just use Q. It's a kind of ripple cut, and it repositions the other part, so the one on the right hand side, back, so that we have the gap closed directly, and it saves a little bit of time. So always go 2 frames forward. You could also use 3 or just 1, depending on the footage that you use, but for this footage 2 is fine. And when I'm done, I've got these 4 smaller 2-frame elements, and I'll reposition the audio file back to its original position. And now if I roll the clip, we've got this typical glitch cut effect that just jumps forward 4 times. As I've said, it's often used when the camera is rotating around a person, or when there's a flashback scene, a dream scene, something like this. It's easy to do. All you need is the cut tool and this audio effect. I found a free one online. I'm going to link to the site where I found it, and you can download it there for free as well. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.